Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for you who don't know me, my name is Boka, and in today's video we're gonna unboxing boxy charm and Ipsy for April 2020. And we're gonna start with Ipsy, it's bigger box. Alright, let's see. Let's see. Okay, so the first product we have over here is Shana B Miami palette, blush and highlight palette. Let's see. Nice. Okay, so this palette, Shana B Miami palette, retail price for this palette is $20, and what they say, give your skin just back from South Beach glow with this blush and highlighter palette. Its warm tones are inspired by Miami. Use the matte blushes on your cheeks for a soft pretty flush and the shimmery highlighters on the high points of your face to make your features pop. Oh, let me see. Sugar Bomb, it's a highlight. I mean, it's pretty. It's powdery, it's really powdery. But okay. Guava Glow. I like Guava Glow, I don't know if you see it. It's really light pink. It's also powdery, but I like it. Rosa, nice pink blush, and Brickle, a little bit darker shade, darker pink shade. Nice. I like the packaging. I like product search. I like palettes with the mirror. Okay, I like this. So the next thing I got, Cella Cream Rose, the very best cream rose. So the smell I hate the most, the smell I cannot stand, is rose, artificial rose. Actual rose in a garden, that's beautiful, but artificial rose smell is the most disgusting thing ever to me. Literally my gag reflex starts working. It gives me headache. It's just so unpleasant for me. So I don't like this at all. Treat your body to intense moisture and your nose to pretty floral scent with this body cream. Well, we're not treating body or my nose, especially with this. Okay. The next product we have here is Lavido 2-in-1 Purifying Facial Mask and Exfoliator. Oh, let's see. Yeah, I'm just gonna... So the retail price for this mask is $36. Don't let dead skin cells do your shine this spring. Add this 2-in-1 exfoliating cleanser to your mask routine and get ready to glow like crazy. Nice. For all skin types. That's always good to have. The next product we have Tarte Double Take Eyeliner in black. Again, always good to have. I haven't tried this one. So the retail price for this one is $24. TBH, you would love just one Tarte liner, but two. Yeah. This is double-sided. Let's see. Oh my god. It's very nice and creamy, this side, the pencil side. Oh, liquid. Oh my god, amazing. This is a really great product. I'm really excited. I love eyeliners. I'm using so many eyeliners, it's like crazy. They're drying, most of them they're drying out super fast. I'm happy that I got this. They're both really good. Amazing. And the last thing from Ipsy, triple shot XXL mascara. So retail price for this mascara is $22. On days and nights when you want your lashes to look larger than life, this jet black mascara will be your new BFF. Well, I'm excited to try out. It's, for my lashes, it's really hard to get a good mascara. My lashes are super short and only couple mascaras are good on me. But I'm excited to try this one. Okay, that was all in Ipsy. Oh, and the bag. Oh wow, this is very cute bag. It's very pretty. I love the zipper. Very cute. Well, I like everything in Ipsy this month except this rose cream. It's really just the rose smell, does nothing for me. Ugh, I cannot. But total, very cute stuff. Let's go to Boxy Charm. Oh, face masks. I'm hemp, I'm cactus, I'm lotus. I like sheet masks. They're really, I think that they're easiest to use. I like them. I'm hemp. Hemp mask gently calms irritated skin. Cactus masks. Uneven skin tone look radiant and glowing. And lotus mask makes dual skin look radiant and glowy. Nice. Again, masks are always good to have. What else? Iconic London Illuminator. Okay, I really like this. And summer is coming, so I'm going to be using this a lot. It's really beautiful. I don't know, can you see it, but it's really pretty. I'm using illuminators as a highlight, sometimes I'm mixing them with foundation. I'm really using them a lot. I love them. LMS Superfood Cleansing Foam. Well, I have so many of face cleansers. I didn't need one, but okay. I never heard of this company, so it's gonna be interesting to try it out. The Professional Benefit Primer. I mean, it's always good to have a lot of primers. I love primers, and also hopefully after all this corona thing is gone, real life makeup artists like me gonna go back to work. I love Benefit primers, so I'm really happy that I got this. And the last thing from my boxy charm, Iconic London Lip Gloss. Lip Plumbing Gloss. Peekaboo. it's really pinky. Okay, not my favorite color, but again, summer is coming, so it's gonna be interesting to use this. Okay, I did prefer Ipsy this month, definitely. I am obsessed with the Iconic Illuminator, and I'm happy that I got this primer. The rest is blah. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for my channel, and I'm gonna see you soon. Bye!